In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem where Steam can't add or find friends. This is a common issue many Steam users run into, especially with new accounts or when trying to add someone quickly before jumping into a game. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. I'll walk you through each method step by step so you can start adding friends again without any frustration. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once Steam loads, look at the top menu and click on Friends. From the drop-down menu, choose Add a Friend. This section is where you can search for people, use friend codes, and manage incoming requests. If you're trying to search for a friend and nothing appears, or Steam tells you that you cannot add friends, the issue is often related to account limitations. Steam restricts certain features for accounts that have not spent at least $5 on the platform. So the next thing you should check is whether your Steam account is limited. Steam applies this limitation to reduce spam and abuse on the platform. If your account has never spent at least $5 on games, wallet funds, or in-game purchases, then you won't be able to send friend requests yourself. However, there's a simple workaround for this. Even if your account is limited, you can still receive friend requests from other people. That means the easiest fix is to ask your friend to send you a friend request instead. Have your friend open their Steam client, go to the friends section, and search for your profile. Once they send the request, you can accept it from the pending invite section on the left side of the Add a Friend page. After you accept the invite, you'll both appear in each other's friends list, and you can start chatting or joining games together immediately. Another method that often works better than searching by username is using a Steam friend code. Inside the Add a Friend page, you'll see your personal friend code displayed near the top. Your friend can enter that code into the Add a Friend search box on their Steam client. Friend codes are unique to each account, so they're much more reliable than searching by name, especially if there are many users with similar usernames, and that's basically it. Open the Add a Friend section, check if your account is limited, ask your friend to send you a request if needed, or use your Steam friend code for a more accurate search. One of these methods will usually solve the issue right away. If this video helped you fix the Steam Friends problem, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.